Imagine a tiny ship, smaller than a car, sailing through the endless ocean of space. This ship, 3i Atlas, was on a mission to journey beyond our solar system, to the neighborhood of another star. For years, it glided through the void, a lonely traveler carrying our hopes and dreams. Every day it sent back images of its journey, revealing wonders we'd never seen. We build machines like 3i Atlas to be our eyes and ears in the cosmos, venturing where we cannot yet go. These robotic explorers are extensions of our senses, reaching out to touch the fabric of space-time. 3i Atlas's voyage was a testament to our unyielding desire to know what lies beyond. It left our sun behind, passed through clouds of dust and gas, and dodged cosmic debris. The spacecraft was a marvel of engineering, built to survive the harshness of interstellar space for decades. Its destination was a star system many light-years away, a journey that would take a human lifetime. But its purpose was not just to arrive, but to learn along the way, paving the path for future explorers. 3i Atlas was the first step in humanity's journey to become a multi-stellar species. So, what was 3i Atlas? Not just a probe, but a robotic laboratory packed with scientific instruments. Its job to study the space between stars, the interstellar medium, a thin soup of gas, dust, and mysterious particles. It had sensors for cosmic rays, cameras for invisible light, and a powerful antenna to send data back across trillions of miles. Think of it as a cosmic weather station, reporting on conditions far from home. This mission helped us answer big questions. Where did we come from? Are we alone? 3 free. Atlas was our scout, mapping the unknown, and revealing that interstellar space was more complex than we imagined. Every signal was a gift, a new page in our cosmic encyclopedia. Then, on a quiet morning at NASA's mission control, the unthinkable happened. The steady stream of data from 3i Atlas suddenly stopped. One moment, screens were filled with numbers and charts. The next, only silence. Engineers checked every system, sent commands, but no answer came back. Hours turned into a day, and hope faded. The last data showed something impossible. The spacecraft had stopped moving, completely. In space, with no friction, this shouldn't happen. For 3i Atlas to stop, something must have stopped it. The laws of physics said this was impossible. The news sent shockwaves through the scientific community. How could a spacecraft traveling at thousands of miles per hour just stop? The mission to explore the cosmos had become a mission to solve an impossible mystery. The NASA team became cosmic detectives, pointing powerful telescopes at the probe's last known location. At first they saw nothing, no explosion, no debris, just emptiness. But then, a faint, strange distortion appeared. The light from stars behind the spot was slightly bent, as if passing through a lens. Simulations ruled out black holes and dark matter. Nothing fit the data. It was as if a small, invisible bubble had formed in space and trapped the probe. The team worked day and night, discarding theories, until a young astrophysicist suggested a radical idea. What if 3i Atlas had entered a tiny stable bubble of space-time, a pocket where the laws of physics were different? It sounded like science fiction, but it was the only theory that fit. The probe hadn't been stopped by an object, but by a property of space itself. The impossible had become a new frontier. The investigation concluded. 3i Atlas had encountered a localized space-time anomaly, a natural warp in the universe. The spacecraft wasn't destroyed, it was trapped, held in stasis inside this bubble, where time itself had nearly stopped. This discovery changed everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. Space isn't just a smooth sheet, it can have wrinkles, folds, and pockets. The journey of 3i Atlas, even in its failure, opened a new field of physics. We may never get the probe back, but its sacrifice was not in vain. It taught us the universe is stranger and more wonderful than we imagined. The story of 3i Atlas is not an ending, but a new beginning, an invitation to keep exploring. The adventure continues.